Hi there, science fans! Today we're talking about something truly essential: breathing. It's something we do every moment of our lives, often without even thinking about it. You see, every single cell in our body needs oxygen to survive. Oxygen is crucial for the production of energy within our cells. It's like the fuel that keeps our bodies running, much like how gasoline powers a car. Without oxygen, our cells wouldn't be able to do their jobs, and we wouldn't be able to do anything at all. Our muscles wouldn't move, our brains wouldn't think, and our hearts wouldn't beat. That's where breathing comes in. It's the process that brings oxygen into our bodies. When we breathe, we take in oxygen from the air and send it through our bodies to all our cells. This oxygen is then used to produce energy. This process is called respiration, and it's happening inside you right now. Every breath you take is a part of this incredible process. Pretty cool, right? But there's more to breathing than just taking in oxygen. Breathing isn't just about taking in oxygen, it's also about getting rid of something called carbon dioxide. This gas is a byproduct of the energy production process in our cells. Carbon dioxide is a waste product that our bodies produce as they use oxygen. If it builds up, it can be harmful to our health. It's important to get rid of carbon dioxide because too much of it can be harmful. Our bodies are designed to expel this waste gas efficiently. So, breathing is a two-way street. We take in the good stuff, oxygen, and get rid of the bad stuff, carbon dioxide. This exchange is vital for our survival. It's a delicate balance, but our amazing respiratory system takes care of it all. So next time you take a deep breath, remember the incredible process happening inside you. Let's follow the fascinating journey of air as it enters our bodies and travels to our lungs. Our journey starts at the nose, the main entrance for air. This is where the adventure begins. The nose is specially designed to warm, clean, and moisten the air we breathe. It's like a natural air treatment system. It's like an air conditioner, filter, and humidifier all rolled into one. This ensures the air is just right for our lungs. Next, the air travels down a tube called the trachea, also known as the windpipe. This is the main airway to our lungs. The trachea acts like a hallway, directing the air towards our lungs. It's a crucial part of our respiratory system. It's supported by rings of cartilage, which keep it open and prevent it from collapsing. These rings are like the trachea's backbone. Finally, the air reaches its destination, the lungs. This is where the real action happens. Our lungs are two spongy, balloon-like organs that sit inside our chest. They expand and contract with each breath. They are the stars of the respiratory system, responsible for taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. This exchange is vital for life. But the journey doesn't end there. The air still has a bit further to go. The air still needs to reach the tiniest parts of our lungs called alveoli, where the real magic happens. These tiny sacs are where oxygen enters our blood and carbon dioxide leaves. Imagine our lungs as two giant clusters of tiny balloons, working tirelessly every second of our lives. These tiny balloons are called alveoli, and they are the true heroes of our respiratory system. There are millions of them in each lung, creating an enormous surface area for gas exchange. The alveoli are surrounded by teeny-tiny blood vessels called capillaries, which are essential for transporting gases. Here's how it works. When we breathe in, oxygen fills up the alveoli, kind of like inflating tiny balloons ready to be absorbed. The oxygen then passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and into the capillaries, where it attaches to red blood cells which carry it throughout our body. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide, a waste product from our cells, travels in the opposite direction, moving from the capillaries into the alveoli. When we breathe out, the carbon dioxide is carried out of our lungs and into the air, completing the cycle. This process of exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide in the alveoli is crucial for keeping our bodies supplied with the oxygen we need and removing the waste product we don't. It's a continuous, life-sustaining cycle that happens without us even thinking about it. Section 4. The diaphragm, our breathing muscle. Have you ever wondered what makes our chest move up and down when we breathe? That's the diaphragm hard at work. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located below our lungs. It plays a vital role in breathing. When we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and flattens, creating more space in our chest cavity. This allows our lungs to expand and draw in air. When we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and returns to its dome shape. This reduces the space in our chest cavity, squeezing the lungs gently and pushing the air out. The diaphragm is like a tireless worker, constantly contracting and relaxing to keep us breathing, whether we're awake or asleep. Section 5. Breathe in, breathe out, the circle of life. So there you have it, science fans. Our amazing respiratory system is a complex and fascinating machine that works tirelessly to keep us alive. From our nose to our lungs and all the parts in between, each component plays a vital role in the process of breathing. Remember, every breath we take is a gift, allowing our cells to function and our bodies to thrive. So take a deep breath, appreciate the wonder of your respiratory system, and keep asking questions about the world around you. Stay curious,